Water drop journey, a field trip. Hi friends, today we're going to talk about water. We're going to learn about 3 states of water, the water cycle, and how far a water drop can travel from Valley Creek to the ocean. Let's go, friends! Today at Belwin, we are going to start at the stream. You've probably been here many times. Our stream is called Valley Creek. Today we're going to learn about where Valley Creek goes. What happens to it? But first, let's talk about the water cycle. First, let's remember that water has 3 states. Water can be a gas. That means that the molecules are moving very quickly. Second, water could be a liquid. Molecules are moving a little fast. And third, they could be solid. That means the molecules are not moving very much at all. This fog on the pond is an example of water as a gas. The stream at Belwin is an example of water as a liquid. See how it flows. In the winter, when the pond is frozen, this is an example of water as a solid. It's not moving anywhere. Those molecules are solid. What are the 3 states of water? See if you can remember. You're right. The 3 states of matter are gas, liquid, and solid. Good job. Now let's learn some more about the water cycle. When we turn on our water at home to get a glass of water, where did that water come from? What do you think? Our water in St. Paul comes from the mighty Mississippi River. Well, how did that water get there? Let's talk about the water cycle. Did you know the water we have on Earth today is the same water that was around when the dinosaurs were here? The water has just been recycled over and over and over, from a glacier to a river to a cloud to a glass of juice to a tree to underground in an aquifer. It's all just the same water. You could be drinking dinosaur tears. Let's follow this drop of water as it goes through the water cycle. The water drop is in a cloud, and it will come down as rain. Now our water drop is inside a river, flowing towards the ocean. Now our water drop has flowed from the river to the ocean, and it is flowing by a big whale. Now the sun has come out. Our water drop is evaporating. It went back up into the clouds as gas. Now our water drop is inside a cloud where it started. We have done just one type of water cycle. Water can flow through the cycle in many ways. Maybe it would be snow or sleet or come down as precipitation like hail. Or maybe it would go inside an animal when an animal drinks at the stream. The water cycle is completed many different ways. This was just one example. Now we are back at the stream at Belwin. Here we are starting a boat race on the bridge. What if we follow that water drop from our Valley Creek all the way to the ocean? Let's see where our water drop will go. 3, 2, 1. Let's put our water drop in the creek at the bridge at Belwin. Let's follow and see where that water drop will go. From the tower at Belwin, You might have seen the St. Croix River. The Valley Creek is going to flow into the St. Croix River. Let's look. Here is the view from the tower, and that is the St. Croix River. Our Valley Creek flows into the St. Croix River. Here is our water drop in the St. Croix River. Valley Creek flows into the St. Croix River. The river gets bigger and bigger. Soon, it will flow into the Mississippi River. Let's look at the St. Croix for a minute. Did you see the eagle flow over the St. Croix River looking for a fish? Our water drop has now flowed down the St. Croix River to Prescott, Wisconsin. Look what happens at Prescott, Wisconsin. Our water drop is at the confluence of the Mississippi River and the St. Croix River. A confluence is where two big rivers meet. Look at how muddy the Mississippi River is and how clear our St. Croix River was. Remember how it looked in the video? Now the two rivers meet and mix. This is called the Great Mix. Our water drop will continue its journey in the Mississippi River. It will travel 2,300 miles to the Gulf of Mexico. Here are some of the stops on the journey. Here our water drop has made it all the way to New Orleans. We're almost done with our journey. Wow, our water drop has made it from Valley Creek at Belwin all the way to the Gulf of Mexico. Our water drop is now in the ocean. What do you think will happen next? Will it stay in the ocean for a long time? Will it be evaporated up to a cloud? What will happen in the next water cycle? Thanks for learning about water today. Go take a drink of dinosaur tears or just a glass of Mississippi River water. Have a good day. Bye, friends.